Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for March 4th of 2025 is titled "A Quadruple Alignment over Italy." So what do we see here? Well, here we see a number of different things, objects in the sky and closer to us here on Earth. And of course, the most prominent one is that big unusual orangish red shape that we see up in the sky. And that is indeed our own moon. In fact, it is the gibbous moon, a little not quite full moon, and more than half, but not quite full. And it is very highly distorted. So why does it look so strange? Well, it has nothing to do with the moon itself. That is actually only because of Earth's atmosphere. And that accounts for the shape of the moon as well as the coloring. So when we look at the moon very low in the sky, then we see it through a lot of atmosphere. So when we're looking through a lot of atmosphere, it tends to get more distorted. And we see this when you watch a sun rise or set or moon rise or set, and they are very close to the horizon. We get very distorted images and they will look very red. The red color occurs because our atmosphere is very good at scattering short wavelengths of light. And that would be colors like blue and green. So they get scattered out, leaving only the red coming through when the moon is lowest in the sky. And of course, the same occurs for the sun. When you see the sun very low in the sky, it also looks very red because of all this distortion. Now we also see some things closer to us here on Earth. Up in the sky, we see an airplane there, and we can see the airplane trail as it goes across the face of the moon. So just happening to be positioned as an airplane flew there when this image was taken. And then, of course, further down on Earth, we see a couple of landmarks there. The Basilica of Superga that we see out in the distance. And then a little closer to the photographer is the Sacra di San Michele that we see here in the foreground. And of course, they provide an alignment here, a quadruple of alignment of 4 different objects. 3 here on Earth, 2 on the surface of Earth, 1 in Earth's atmosphere, and of course our moon, our closest celestial neighbor, off in the distance. And again, what really draws everything here is the image of the moon. Now, the moon also can turn red for other reasons, and we will see a red moon during a lunar eclipse when the moon passes into Earth's shadow. That is not the case here, but we do have a lunar eclipse coming up in just a couple of weeks. We will have a chance to watch, depending on your location on Earth, the moon pass into Earth's shadow and turn a deep red, even when it is not near the horizon. So that was our picture of the day for March 4th of 2025. It was titled "A Quadruple Alignment over Italy." We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Star Sisters. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.